Hello everyone. This will be a quick video about the list and dictionary methods in Python, and let's just jump right into it. So here I have a list and here I have a dictionary method. So the big difference is with a list, it is just that it's a list of items, and then with a dictionary it's key value. So this is really just a bunch of values here. This is a key and then the value of the key. So let me show you with this here. So if we do print list, it's just going to give us here we go, give us a list of everything that's in the list, right? And then if we print the dictionary, you'll see that it prints everything inside of the dictionary, but it prints the key and the value. So with lists, what you would do is if you wanted to get like a specific item or something, you would go and get it by calling the position it's at. So this is 0, 1, 2. So you do that, and you do this, and you'll just get dog. But with a dictionary method, what you do is you can do this, which is dictionary dot, we'll do keys, and that will give us dog, cat, and rat. And I'll show you here. As you can see, dog, cat, rat. And then you can also call your values. So values here, and we run that, and we get pug, calico, and Dumbo rat. So yeah, there's both have their uses, but I just wanted to make this quick video, just kind of talk about it, and thank you for watching. Bye.